Here's how to maximize your money in the 9 to 5 job. Whether you want to fund your dreams while working a 9 to 5, or save up enough to quit and then do your own thing, or you simply want to enjoy your 9 to 5 and max your money, this one's for you, so keep listening. I'm Charlene. I worked in banking for over 7 years in London with the world's wealthiest, and I'm an energy healer, helping you master your money and energy. Number 1, know your numbers. First, sit down and get clear on how much money you need to hit your goals, whether it's buying a car, getting a house deposit down payment, or how much you want to retire on, or how much you need to set up your business or side hustle. First, get clear on the numbers. Then build a budget and set aside money each month to fund these goals, whether it's saving, investing in the stock market, setting aside money for retirement. I have a free net worth tracker. It's linked in the description below, so check that out. Number 2, next, maximize what you can get from your employer. Like, for example, intelligence. I used my previous day jobs to build my intelligence and skills, like understanding how money works. I learned how to launch products across the UK, like learning sales skills, how to pitch, leading projects, project management, leading digital transformation, and how to manage people. All these transferable skills can help you do your own thing, launch that business, or can help you stay in the 9 to 5 and climb the corporate ladder to a top position, like using your skills. Next, build connections. In the 9 to 5 job, you meet people. Building relationships can help you find new job opportunities and even find mentors who can guide your career growth. If the people I've met in my day jobs gave me connections to new, better paying jobs, introduced me to people in their networks in other companies and startups. I learned so much from people in the past day jobs, which helped me in my businesses as well. Some even became my clients when I started offering energy healing sessions. People you meet or make the effort to meet, don't underestimate it. It's a massive skill. Next, dental insurance. Stick with me. I got my dentist checkups covered by day jobs while I was building my businesses outside of the day jobs. So check what you're covered for. What is the company insurance policy? Do they cover dental? Next, pensions and retirement accounts. They sound boring, but think of it like a long-term investment account. Make sure you understand how your company pension works. There's usually a website or a portal that you can just log in and check how much money is in there, what you're contributing, and how it works. If your employer offers automatic contributions to pensions, great. If you're in the UK, check that out. If not, consider increasing your contributions automatically each month. It adds up over time thanks to compounding. Next, employer match. Many companies will match your pension contributions up to a certain percentage. This is basically like free money, so don't leave it on the table. Check what your company offers in terms of the pensions and retirement accounts. Here's a secret: salary sacrifice. I saved thousands with this one. Salary sacrifice is when you pay a part of your bonus or salary directly into your pension before tax. It's like a way to reduce your taxable income and boost your retirement fund at the same time. Ask if your employer offers this. Other benefits. Some companies favor therapy, counseling, physiotherapy, tech. There are a few girls in London who got their tech and desk set up at home for free, and they can keep that forever, even if they leave the company. Therapy can cost over £100 per session, so if you need it, see if your company can cover it. Understanding what your company covers can save you money in the long run. Whether you want to stick to the 9 to 5, climb the ladder, or you want to invest in your side hustles. Use money from the 9 to 5 to fuel and experiment launching a business. I used one of my first day jobs years ago to fund various side gigs, from knitwear, I tried an e-commerce thing, and then cakes, which worked. I also built enough savings to have runway for me to quit a job and go full-time on a side gig if that side gig took off to the level that I wanted it to. The day jobs that I've had gave me financial room to breathe while I tested different ideas. I think everyone should try launch at least one business in their lifetime. It's work, like it's a lot of work, but when it's something you love, like in energy healing, when I see people's progress after having one energy session with me, like they've manifested something, they've got clarity on what they want to do in life, or we're working through some emotional releases, it's so worth it. So make the 9 to 5 work for you while you're building your dreams. If you found this video helpful at all, you got any value from it, please hit that like button, bell button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more on how you can master your money and energy. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.